Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. What life, but now I see. 'Twas grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my fears relieved. How precious deep that grace appeared. Lead out I first believed. Through many dangers, toils and sins, I have already come. 'Tis grace hath brought me safe thus far, and grace will lead me home. The Lord has promised good to me. His word my heart secures. He will my shield and portion be, as long as life endures. Yea, when this flesh and heart shall fail, and mortal life shall cease, I shall possess within the land a life of joy and peace, where the wind will stand 1,000 years. I shall remain as my soul, with no less days to seek out ways, but where